You wanna play? That's really good, actually. That's really good, actually.
Wait, what's going on here? Is that how handshakes sound in, like,
Is that how
cyborg world?
I was like, what the fuck?
Wait, what happened?
Oh, you put on a fucking, like, repeater.
Yeah.
It was coming out too evenly, and I was like, is that, like, a real?
I did everything right except grabbing the.
Alright, someone, wait.
Everyone feel. Now you know. What do you think? My all.
The sim stays.
I confused Fulgur so much.
I can't.
One enemy remaining.
I've never seen that before.
I've never
Played a lot of valor.
What?
Never in my life.
You good? You good? Oh gosh. Oh no, no!
Watch this flashing.
He was doing that.
That was
Too real, too real.
Too real. He was
Really?
I'm gonna eat it.
Is that a food? It's food. What do you mean?
The DLC. There's a DLC for this.
Jump my balls.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Dude, I have been streaming for 15 hours. You can't do this to me. I've been streaming for 15 hours straight. You're not allowed to do that to me.
Believers. Oh.
Please be quiet.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Excuse me.
Shit, Fulgur's a fucking wild animal. By the tree. Alright. Wait, you two killed each other. Jumping to the lava again.
Time to kill Uki.
Thing is a insta-kill.
Oh my god. Uki's just like, well, I'll just die myself.
Yes, I'll just die. It was blinded by your wall.
Yeah, let's go. Not too.
And then I fell off and I didn't notice. I was so absorbed in your journey.
Hey, get me out of here.
I took my chances.
I can Fulgur dancing right now.
What?
Holy shit! So happy that nobody was taking the point. You making me fucking angry again?
Fulgur left the call again.
Don't tell me you fell. I already know it. Play it, Miss Air. Can I pay you to love me more?
Oh, they mean like the first checkpoint, baby.
Oh yeah. Yes, I did.